When families place their trust in you with what matters the most, good enough disappears. Mead Johnson Nutrition is a global leader in pediatric nutrition, focused on supporting early life nutrition through scientific development. We want to use the latest innovation to serve the family better. When we deploy AI, we can't accept a world where it's directionally right, occasionally wrong, or unclear on why it makes the recommendation. The path forward was very clear. We have to start deploying SAP Business Data Cloud. AI has to meet the same bar as everything else we do: safe, transparent, compliant by design. The problem is fragmentation. Getting SAP data into analytics and AI meant building market-specific pipelines again and again. That creates a huge bottleneck for analytics, and for AI, it creates something even more critical: missing context. With Business Data Cloud, we are in process of replacing that fragmentations with a unified future-ready foundation. We are building an enterprise AI on top that is consistent, governed, and scalable across the enterprise. That started with a data fabric, connecting the SAP and non-SAP data assets, plus incorporating the metadata, the definitions, and the governance that keeps the business context intact. Once that foundation is unified and trusted, AI can operate across the functions on the same source of truth. And then we can take it further with agentic AI, agent-to-agent workflow that carry on with actions, automating end-to-end process from recommendations to execution. Duplications drop as market-by-market pipelines are replaced with standardized SAP data products that can be reusable across the regions. So the team spends less time wrangling and debating the numbers and more time taking an action, better decisions made faster with confidence, supporting availability, responsiveness, and reliability. Trust rises through strong data quality, clear lineage and coverage, and consistent core metrics. At Mead Johnson Nutrition, in an industry where nothing but the best is acceptable, we are building a trusted, responsible AI on top of SAP Business Data Cloud. With SAP Business Data Cloud, we used to feel impossible becomes real.